Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am officially back and I have my Monterey, my mother, and today we are going to do some Biltong testing, different flavours, which will be interesting because if you didn't know, my mom is proper South African and I'm, what would you say I am?
Well, you're half South African, half British.
I'm 50-50.
I'm also, we're British citizens, but we're from South Africa.
Yeah,
we've been here 18 years.
Feels like
But I've still got the accent, she hasn't.
No, I haven't. Until I'm mad, sometimes when I'm mad I can.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially when I'm streaming. But yeah, well, Biltong has probably been around South Africa for a very long time, I'm guessing. And the back has the story, if you want to read it, Mom.
Get a slice of the action. Simon Smith, aka King Tong, fell in love with Biltong in South Africa, crafted by his dad Keith's secret family recipe. Simon perfected this recipe with friend Willem van der Ploeg deep in the Namibian desert using traditional methods. Returning to the UK, Simon built a factory which now produces the standout Biltong. We pick only the very best British and Irish silverside beef and marinade with the finest herbs and spices. No comparison, no compromise. So there.
We're going to turn Irish a little bit.
You never know. I can't do an Irish accent.
Okay, so there's 6 flavours. We've got chili, so I'll probably leave that one to last. We've got garlic, and we've got traditional, which is just the normal flavour, and Mum.
And Mom has got peri peri, totally teriyaki, and deep South Dixie barbecue. Woohoo! Nice.
So which one should we start with?
Let's start with the
Traditional.
top.
Starting with traditional.
Say that again.
I'm dyslexic. Shut up. I can't open it.
Well, that's a good start, eh?
Oh,
You obviously don't have much South African in you.
no. Smells nice. Smells very traditional.
Okay.
Tastes traditional.
It's nice.
We'll speed up this part.
That's good. Right, shall I go next? Get rid of it. Next we have the Deep South Dixie barbecue. So let's see how this fares to the... Say the word.
Traditional one.
That's it, she did it. First.
You gotta smell it.
Yeah, it's got a funny smell.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry about this one.
Tastes the same like the traditional one.
It's slightly sweeter. It's quite nice. It doesn't smell nice, but it tastes nice. I like that one. I prefer that to the traditional. The traditional one had a bit of a sour taste on it.
Steve likes this one too. It's his favourite one.
Good job, Steve.
Good job, Steve. Right. Garlic. I'm gonna try some garlic. Now, I'm hoping it does have a garlic taste. I'm not even gonna attempt to open that. It's not gonna work with me.
Yeah, it smells of garlic.
Oh. Ooh, that's a strong smell of garlic.
Ish, as I would say in South Africa. Ish, ish, ish.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we're gonna stink off this. said.
Taste it.
Okay.
I like that one.
It's nice. If you're a garlic fan, it's not too potent.
I like that
Quite
one a lot.
delicately flavoured. It's nice. Next we have totally teriyaki.
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki!
Teriyaki. Each one has a certain kick to it. And I'm thinking that last one's
The
gonna.
last one's going to be hot.
It doesn't. Kind of.
I'm not sure about the smell. Let's touch and go with that.
It smells undeceiving.
It's okay. I wouldn't rave about it. I think it smells nice.
I don't know, to be honest.
It's a little bit too of the middle of the road. It doesn't blow you away. Well, it doesn't blow me away.
The aftertaste's not good for me.
No, it has got an aftertaste as well, so maybe not that
We'll
one.
do that one and then chili
Okay.
last.
So now we have fiery peri peri.
Peri peri.
Peri peri.
Reba.
Frog about throat.
I can't roll. Do the reba.
They're starting all to smell the same.
Oh. Hello.
And I don't think it smells hot.
Oh. I like that one.
Once you've had some, it smells different. Or it's because the packet's been open for a while. It smells. This is nice. This one's got a bit of a kick,
It does, yeah.
but it's not overpowering. It's not too hot. Get rid of it. she has trouble swallowing it. It kind of dries out in your mouth. What do you do? Look, you're still chewing. You look like a cow.
I'm savouring it.
Yeah, it's nice.
That one has it. I'm dreading this one now. Oh boy.
What's this one?
We got Chili Willy.
What is it called?
Chili.
Red hot chili.
Yeah.
Red hot.
Oh boy.
Okay, we'll be the judge of that.
That was spicy. I'm going to attempt to open it.
No, the peri peri one was good. And which is the other
Did
one?
it?
The garlic one was nice.
It doesn't really smell like chili. It smells like the rest.
We'll smell it again after we've had some, because sometimes the smell.
That peri peri one was nice.
The peri peri one was nice, and the garlic one was nice.
Oh, right. You can have that piece.
It's a big piece.
Exactly.
Red hot chili.
Oh, boy.
It's got quite a kick.
My tongue's on fire.
It's got an after kick.
Yep.
It smells a bit iffy. But I like it. It's not in the middle of the road. It's definitely chili. There's no doubt about it, and it comes through quite nicely. Burns your mouth, but it doesn't burn your throat.
No, it just burns like your tongue.
I don't know about the smell. The smell is.
No, the smell just smells like the
It smells like
traditional one.
ordinary traditional
Yeah.
biltong. So I would say out of all of them, that one wasn't good, was it? Peri peri was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Peri peri was really nice. The chili one stands out. If you like hot but not blazing hot, it's quite good.
Out of all of them, my favourite ones would be the garlic one, the chili one, and the teriyaki one. Or was it the other one? What was the other one?
Barbecue one.
No, the other spicy one.
That was teriyaki. Barbecue?
No,
I can't remember.
there's three that I liked. Chili, chili, teriyaki and the garlic one. Yeah.
What about the peri peri? Was that not?
Oh no, that was the one I liked more.
Let's try peri peri again.
Confused. Yeah.
That one? That one?
And the garlic one. So out of all 6, our favourite top 3 would be the chili, peri peri, and the garlic one.
I'd say my favourite is the chili. I quite like that.
There you go then. Sorry, cherries. Cherry. Terry.
Try again.
Terry.
Take 500.
Yeah, and that's all for today, guys.
It's worth buying. Treat yourself. Have a bit of, I don't know, whatever you fancy, really.
Biltong, and I'll leave a link in the description box down below because I bought it off Amazon, so I'll add the link down below, and I'll probably buy a bigger packet of, I don't know, they're all good. The only 3 are good.
Yeah, the top 3. And buy a big enough packet so you can share it with me.
Yeah. So I'll probably buy a big packet of chili and a big packet of the
Peri peri.
What? Shut up. I'm dyslexic.
Say traditional. Can't, can you?
Traditional. No, I can't. See, not English, and I'm not South African. I'm from wherever else I should be.
Mars.
Yeah. But thank you guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.